I was a rank newcomer. मेरे पास रहने को जगह नहीं थी. I was an odd looking boy. I'm not from a film background.
When you grow up with people you were new and they were new, chances are you will work with them a little more often, but it doesn't mean that you will not work with newer people who are growing up now. And I think, to my mind, that is a way of looking at life in the most positive fashion.
And also, I feel I should say this. Most of the people here again, and some of them who are not present here, I was a rank newcomer. Like Rajiv so sweetly said, he didn't care how his hair was. I didn't care because I didn't know how else to keep it. I still remember Rajiv told me also, and till now he tells me कि तुम सो रहे हो आराम से यार ये सब तुम्हारा सब ऐसा तो ऐसा नहीं मैं ऐसा ही दिखता हूँ. I'm sorry. So I was an odd looking boy. I spoke too fast. I'm not from a film background, and most of them, even though they're not, some of them are from film background, they'd started their careers. They give me an opportunity, you know. Hemaji is not here, but who gets an opportunity in his life to sit across the dream girl and she says, I like your nose, it's very aristocratic. So you are in my film for that. And I'm like, वो नाक जिसको मैं छुपाता फिर रहा हूँ, वो नाक हेमा मालिनी को पसंद है. So, you know, the opportunities I got with all of them. I remember Rajiv, Abbas Mastan, Kundan, and we were working on films and television. I used to live in his house. He had allowed me to stay in the Iskra Rogopak office. The first time Gujarati food I've had from Bakul, his wife. They looked after me like their child, and they gave me an opportunity. So for me, if a newcomer comes, I have been trained by people like these to respect a newcomer, love the newcomer like your own, and I'm not being patronizing or giving anyone a chance, because they never made me feel like that. Not one of them made me feel कि हम तेरे को chance दे रहे हैं बेटा. So I've learned it from them actually. All this is very nice, but I'm extremely emotional about, and I don't get the opportunity to meet my friends, my mentors, my directors, my family, because we are all busy. We all get a little selfish also. We all run after the things that we want to, and sometimes इस दौड़ में, इस होड़ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मिलती नहीं हैं या मिलने का वक्त नहीं मिलता है. So मैं थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा कि जब मैं मुंबई आया तो दो चार लोग जो यहाँ पर हैं उनके बारे में. I remember मैं जब पहली बार टेलीविज़न में काम करने आया तो अजीज़, कुंदन और सईद, इस्क्रा रोगोपैक उनकी कंपनी थी. मेरे पास रहने को जगह नहीं थी. मैं एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंच गया, मुझे एड्रेस नहीं मालूम था. मैं मुंबई में पहली बार आया था, और कुंदन, बकुल, अजीज़, हिज होल फैमिली, सईद, सब बच्चे, हारून, राहिला, निर्मला, उन्होंने मुझे अपना घर दिया. पहले ऑफिस में रखा. बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती थी क्योंकि ऑफिस ये लोग 9 बजे सुबह खोल देते थे, तो ये आके उठा देते थे मुझको, लेकिन चाय के साथ और गुजराती फूड के साथ. सो आई लिव्ड इन द ऑफिस इन बांद्रा. देन मैं जब मेरी शादी हो गई तो घर नहीं था, तो अजीज़ मिर्ज़ा ने मुझे अपना घर दिया. फिर उनको घर की तकलीफ़ थी तो वो वहाँ पे रहने लगे. मैं ये बातें सिर्फ इसलिए बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये मेरे फिल्म मेकर्स नहीं हैं, ये मेरे लाइफ मेकर्स हैं. मैं यहाँ पर होता ही नहीं, और मैं ये इनकी तारीफ़ के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये मैं सेल्फिशली अपने लिए कह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आई नीड टू से दिस, आई नीड टू somehow express this. Because there are not very many people who understand and know this part of me. Because every time I go anywhere, it's all about Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, the big superstar. But it's not all about me at all, ever. And then there was a time, Aziz को वो घर वापस चाहिए था. मुझे किराए का घर लेना पड़ा. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. So I remember Rajiv called me and gave me money for my kiraya of my house. And these are small instances which I'm telling you because it made me feel कि मैं मुंबई में मूवी स्टार बन सकता हूँ. एक बड़ी फेमस लाइन है जो मेरी दोस्त अनुपमा ने शायद अपनी किताब में भी लिखी कि मैं एक दिन मुंबई को ओन करूँगा. वो हिम्मत कहने की या सोचने की इसलिए थी क्योंकि इन सब की बैकिंग थी. मेरे को पता नहीं था. आई रिमेंबर राजीव फादर सेड दैट तुम शादी करने वाले हो, शादीशुदा हीरो तो चलता नहीं है. And somehow Rajiv realized that this is maybe I don't understand this. And अब तो शादी हो रही थी, अब क्या करेंगे? So he landed up for my wedding very sweetly. I remember Abbas Mastan coming and wanting me to do this film. And I finished the film and I got the Best Actor award, I think my first one for a film as a Best Actor award, and not for debut or anything. And I went to their house to meet them. And I had never understood, and I'm sorry I'm talking personal about Mastan Bhai, the hardships they lived in, but made these beautiful films, and never made me realize that I had become a star, and the director was still to make it there. They were the ones who'd made the greatest film of my career, perhaps, Bazigar. And so many of them have all come together and helped me become who I am, not just as a movie star or as an actor, but as the person that I am. And I owe this to them. And it's humbling that I come here. It's awkward I come here because मुझे मेरे हक का जो होता है that's very important to me. लेकिन इस सारे सक्सेस के ऊपर मेरा कोई ज़्यादा हक नहीं है actually.